Hi everyone, how are you? This is Ahmed again. Today I'm with you to make a special plate or dish, let's say. It's an appetizer. It's famous in the Middle East, and the name of it's Mutabbal. Mutabbal, the main ingredient for the Mutabbal, it's the eggplant. Let's see what we need here to make this plate. We need eggplant. As you see here, I chose to make two. And olive oil. We need some tahini sauce. The tahini sauce is made out of sesame. I made it here at home, and hopefully soon we'll make a video for you to show you how we make it at home. And we need 2 tablespoons of yogurt. We need some lemon juice, salt, and garlic. Of course, the garlic, it's optional. It's up to you. So at the beginning, we're gonna take the eggplant, make hole here and here, put it in a tray this way, same thing. Just you make the hole from the top, don't make it from here, because this is the part which is important. Okay, and then we put it in the oven for like 210 degrees for like between 20 to 30 minutes. Of course, after 15 minutes we will check on it to flip it. Okay, and after that, after we finish baking the eggplant, we will continue together. Okay, until the eggplant finish, let's prepare here what we need. Of course, I got some walnut here, because I'm gonna make the Mutabbal 2 kinds, with plain, of course, and the other one it's with walnut. So I'm gonna cut this walnut using the knife. You can use the food processor also. I don't want it to be so fine. I want it to show in the Mutabbal. And then we'll make the tahini. Tahini, as we mentioned before, it's from sesame. We add first thing, we add the lemon juice to it. Of course, maybe you're gonna ask what's the amount of the lemon juice and what's the amount of the tahini. Yani it's like 50 milliliter of tahini with 20 or 30 milliliter of lemon juice. It's supposed to be, it's up to you if you want it sour or not. If you notice how the tahini change the color, becomes like light, the color, and this is the way how it's supposed to be when you mix it with the lemon. And then after that, we add the yogurt. I prepare here, prepared some water if we need, but I don't think so. We need it. We mix the yogurt with the tahini sauce, and it comes like that. As I told you from the beginning, we prepared also the garlic. This is optional. If you don't like it, you don't have to add it. And this is the tahini. It's ready now. And we will check the eggplant. Okay. Now the eggplant, it seems it's done. It's been for like 30 minutes in the oven. And this is the way how it's supposed to be. So it doesn't mean it's burned. It's not burned. Actually, this is what it give it like the nice taste for it. So you can leave it for 5 minutes to cool down a little bit, or you can work right away. About us, we're gonna work right away. So we cut this in the top a little bit. Of course, don't worry about these small things. This is nice. And then we cut it this way. And this is the way how it is from the inside. It's still so hot. We peel it. This way. Okay, now after we peel it, it's still hot. We cut it by the knife. We don't want to make it paste, you know. We finish cutting. We put it on this plate. And then we add the tahini and the yogurt. It's a plain yogurt. We add to it. And we mix it. Okay, it's almost finished. Add some salt. For those people who doesn't like yogurt, they can use only the tahini sauce by itself. Or who doesn't like the tahini sauce, they can use the yogurt, the plain yogurt by itself. The same way you can make the zucchini, but with the zucchini just you use yogurt. Now this is finished. This is the plain one. We're gonna make some with the walnut. This way we add walnut. We leave some. We mix it. Okay, now we mix it with walnut. Let's prepare the plate. Put it in the middle. And the rest of the walnut. Of course, this is a healthy plate. And some Mutabal olive oil. This is the first plate. Let's make the second plate. Same thing. This is the plain one. Or still, it's warm a little bit, but you can put it in the fridge. This is just you put anything to make it looks nice. This way. I prepared here also like dry mint, if you like it, but I'm not gonna add today. Also olive oil. It's something main in the Middle East, the olive oil. We use it with everything. Okay, for today our plate is finished and it's Mutabbal. It's from the eggplant. It's a healthy dish and I hope you will like it. Please try it and let me know in the comments. And if you have any questions also, you can ask. I'll be so happy to answer. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time with something new. Have a good day. Bye bye.